Obviously, Papa, no, Nebola, This is Oba, one of the Lord. Can you not afford? Obviously, Papa, no, Nebola,
Nnamdi Kanu's court update. Supporters of Nnamdi Kanu and lovers of justice gathered on the morning of his court appearance at the Federal High Court in Abuja, where the trial concerning his self-determination case against the Nigerian government continued. It was also reported that the United States had sent an observer to monitor the court proceedings, reflecting growing international attention on the case. Foreign observers, including senior officials from the U.S. National Center for State Court, were seen seated in the courtroom, prepared to monitor this session closely. Nnamdi Kanu's court update 18/06/2025. Following the rejection of previous tendered documents by the court, he presents another from NBC. Prosecution: Can you identify this document? Witness: Yes. NBC came over to examine the transmitter at the DSS headquarters after Nnamdi Kanu brought in the transmitter. Judge: Does the defense team have anything to say? Wait to regard the document from NBC. Defense: We have no objection to the NBC report that the prosecution intends tendering to the court. The court admits the NBC report as an exhibit is admitted as an exhibit. Cross-examination continues. Prosecution: Can you please explain your role as a law enforcement officer? Witness: My role is to acquire information and report it to my director. Some of my responsibilities include raiding camps, and I saw human head, bodies, and ESN eating human bodies. Prosecution: Do you, the owner of the testimony, presented before court last time? Witness: We have not found Uzoma, aka Onyami. Prosecution: What do you have to say about the transmitter? Witness: Based on my physical observation, it is understood that the equipment was intended to be used for broadcasting. Also, before importing a transmitter into Nigeria, you must first obtain approval, but it wasn't obtained. Prosecution: Who is the owner of the transmitter? Witness: I can confirm that the defendant is the owner of the transmitter. Go to Vanguard publication dated July 3rd, 2023. You will see the detailed news. Prosecution: If you see the Vanguard publication, would you recognize it? Witness: Yes, I will. Defense counsel objects the tendering of the newspaper publication. The presiding judge overrules the defense objection and marks the publication as exhibit. Prosecution: What do you think about the attack on the Owerri prison? Witness: Nnamdi Kanu authorized the prison break. Prosecution: Can you please explain your role as a law enforcement officer? Witness: My responsibility is to gather information and report it to my boss. Some of my responsibilities include raiding camps, and I did raid ESN camps. During one of my raids, I saw human heads, bodies, and ESN eating human bodies. Prosecution: Were you able to locate Onyami? Witness: No, we have not found Uzoma aka Onyami. The prosecution moved to read a presumed written statement attributed to Uzoma Benjamin, also known as Onyami, as published in a Vanguard newspaper report. In the publication, Onyami allegedly claimed that IPOB leader Nnamdi had ordered him, through a superior, to kill 2,000 people. He reportedly confessed to having killed 30 individuals instead and expressed regret for his actions. Parties concludes cross-examination of witness PW4DDD. Court adjourns to 19 June 2025 and also 20 June 2025 for continuation of hearing and proceedings.
This is Oba, one of the Lord. Quem tem na foto? Como eu sei, papai? Não é bola, não é bola. Otumba.